Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about GBP USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 25th to 29th May 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in GBP USD on Friday. So as you can see, 0.04% negative move, 1.34218 was the closing on Friday. So here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So let's go to a weekly chart and let's see what happened in GBP USD on for this week. So you can see a bullish candle with a medium to big body and a small lower wick and a small upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI, 5362 is the current level, which is indicating as a slight negative momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do consider subscribing to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here, if I talk about the closing, 1.34218 is the closing. Here the direct support is 1.34057, direct resistance is 1.34312. After direct support, there is a support of 1.33805 and then 1.33560. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.34482 and then 1.34667. These are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. Then do mark these important levels on your chart as well. Now, before I talk about my opinion, if you are from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I already shared prop firm links in the description where you can open your account from there and get funded. I also shared some one broker link which is GTC FX. If you think these prop firms has a very strict rule, then you can open a GTC FX account and you can fund your own Forex account. So if you're interested, then you can use that link as well. But if you also want to join our premium membership, which is absolutely free, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will share you the details on how you can join our premium membership. So now let's talk about my opinion in GBP USD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a slight positive momentum in this range, that is 1.343122 to 1.344482. I'm expecting a positive momentum in this range. Once we see a good volume and a price breakout above these supports as these resistance as well, then you can expect a good upside move as well. But if you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 1.34057 gets breached and a 4-hour or 1-day candle gets closed below this, then you can go for a short till this level. You can wait for these level as well if we see a 4-hour 1-day candle closing below this level as well. Overall, my expectations a bit positive in this range, even above this as well. But as I said, we have to wait for a candle closing and then we can make a trade. So overall, my expectation is positive. What are your expectation? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.